Hello everybody, and welcome to another Spider-Man 2 video. Didn't get one up last week, Thanksgiving week. Caused it to be a little hectic. I do hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving and are looking forward to Christmas. But we're going to get into a little bit more Spider-Man 2 here today. The last time we played, Scorpion got killed by Kraven, and that was wild. So we're gonna see what happens here. Gonna run into it and see what happens. Here we go. Oh, hey, look, invisibility stuff. Well, that's not optimal.
Looks like Pete was right. This is definitely a hunter blind. Maybe I can find out if there's a base nearby too.
I heard you challenged Kraven once. Is that actually true?
A few years ago.
Man. Oh yeah, we got web lines.
He struck me down.
Forgot about that.
Only because I linked him with a hallucinogen derived from sulfur south.
Doobie doobie dooba, doobie doobie dooba, doobie doobie dooba. H&M. Hey, where'd my friend go? Oh yeah, no, you should join him. Now y'all can talk. Yeah, it is all a dream. Now you can talk. While
What was that?
come here.
And don't let the bed bugs bite.
Yeah, don't let the bed bugs bite. Go to sleep. Who can see you? I don't understand how you are danger. I don't have any stealthy, gadgets anymore. So I'm trying to figure out.
Heard something. Is it him? Webs. Spider.
Oh, well.
To me. Let's flush him out.
What's going on over there? Need a medic over here.
We will fight the spider together.
Okay. Good. There's just a robotic dog over there we don't need to worry about.
I'm on you.
Well, everybody's now aware that I'm somewhere. I really don't like fighting the
Better not wake up.
It's a robot, Miles. Okay, I'm done with this. Let's go. Ouch.
Stop him!
Ouchies.
Did one of you call reinforcements? Because not cool.
Dang it, I didn't want to use the finisher. We need to focus here. Get up in the air. They can't hit you very well in the air. Damn it, I keep instinctively hitting things that pop up on my screen. Ouch.
Let's wrap it up.
I need to heal, but I keep hitting what instinctively pops up on my screen. Oh well. We're just gonna cruise past that now.
More hunters on this rooftop. I'll take down the blind later.
Oh, actually, I need to do stuff. Well, let's see what suits we got. One's kind of cool, but I prefer his normal Spidey suit. Oh, it changed the suit.
Hey Miles,
Oh,
I
just
have
got
those addresses Pete mentioned for a few of Black Cat's safe houses.
Head into the first one now.
Thanks for offering to do this. Pete can get kind of blindsided by Felicia.
Oh,
I know you're busy with your
Felicia.
college essay.
It's cool. I always have time to Spider-Man.
Sounds like you're as good at work-life balance as I am. I'm scrambling to finish my hunter story. Might save my job. But you guys, what happened to Scorpion? And Lee and the Wind?
Can't focus while he's out there, MJ.
Don't let it eat you up. Might be best to just focus on the task at hand.
That's not all. When I face Lee, I got some new powers. They're blue and weird.
I mean, I'm no expert on spider powers, but could it be from stress? What you're
blue
going
and
through, it's a
weird.
lot. But you're not alone. Even Pete and I, we're still figuring it all out. One thing at a time, right?
Yeah.
We'll find him.
I know.
That was tech part.
Thanks, MJ.
And Miles, be careful with Felicia. You can't trust her, no matter what she says. Warn her about the hunters and get her out of the city.
Understood.
Yeah.
Let you know when I get there.
I think I saw another tech part box up here. Yep. I'm so good at spotting stuff,
Someone
man.
needs to do a better job hiding their stolen tech.
I can't ignore crime. Not in my city. I have a skill point available, oh well.
At
Good
least with
stuff,
robots,
Scott.
I don't have to hold back that much. Okay, everybody sit. Stay.
Alright. Ouchie. Yeah, definitely messed me. Couldn't really dodge under that many enemies there.
Not to brag, but I could have programmed those way better.
Probably. Alright, let's go. Yeet. Whee!
Hey, it's another one of Marco's memory crystals.
Yeah, that's
Take
nice.
care of that.
We'll do that later, maybe on stream one day. We'll take care of that stuff.
What do we got?
Place looks like it was ransacked.
Oh, I remember this place.
Perfect
This
chance
over-
to use the AR tech Genki upgraded.
Alright.
Scratch marks. Huh.
Any sign of her?
Found some scratch marks with traces of metal.
Yep.
I'll run it to see if it matches her claws. Just have to isolate the molecular components of the metal filings I found. Whoops.
Oh, I see. I see. Nice.
Got it. Titanium. What else?
Okay.
Okay.
No. Okay.
Nice.
Nice.
Cobalt. This is looking good.
Yeah.
Who says science isn't fun?
That's a lot of
Let's see here.
non-essential items. Okay.
Done.
Nice. See, we don't have to delete neutral
Match.
stuff. But we can. We have the option of deleting those.
Did it. It's her. Scuff marks from her shoes. She must have been hustling. She was grabbing something from that box on the wall. Looks like an emergency stash box, but it's empty.
No, really? Heirs.
Hunters.
Hunters.
That should be enough to reconstruct the scene. They attacked, but she's
This
on the run.
is
They're
Def-
already onto her. This is exactly why the city needs to be warned about the hunters. She could have... Keep me posted.
Whoa!
Okay, that's the thing I need to go check out. But yeah, no, this is
Well,
kind of
this
like
went from a friendly
Batman.
warning to a rescue mission pretty quick. I just hope I'm not too late.
Felicia's resourceful, but everything we've seen from these hunters has me kind of worried.
Yeah.
You're worried about your boyfriend's ex? That's compassion.
Yeah.
Looks like I just missed them.
Any signs of where they went?
Let me scan the area and see.
Alright.
Line was damaged by the explosion. Wonder what it powers.
That, probably.
Generator. Wonder what it's supposed to power.
That one.
An electrical node. I bet there's more.
That one.
Another node down.
Oh, there's one.
Another stash box. This one's still locked. She risked her whole life to get to it. Gotta open it, but the power's disconnected.
Well, you have electrical powers.
Need to power up this generator if I'm gonna find her. If I tether my web to the generator, I can get into the box. This looks right. Nearly there.
There we go. Alright, we are smarter than a 5th grader.
I did it.
Yeah. What is...
I'm in. Paris. MJ, how's your French?
Non-existent. But send me what you got.
Okay. There's some instruction manual for a wand of Watum.
What tomb? I'll do a search. Give me a sec.
Hunters. Wherever they're headed, I should follow.
According to a translation of the Mystic Arcana, that wand is old. We're talking BC old. Supposedly, whoever wields it can create portals to pretty much wherever they can think of.
Like magic?
If she gets her hands on something like that.
I can think of some uses for it.
Miles, let's just stick to the plan.
We're in position.
Whoa. Are we gonna see Doctor Strange?
She's definitely inside. Gotta clear these hunters out. Whatever that wand does, it does it brightly.
Something wrong.
Sweet dreams.
What? I'm a real funny guy. Alright, let's see here. What's going on over here?
What the hell is happening in there?
Now you're webbed down. Yeah, you can obviously be seen, but can
Either
you
Black
be
Cat's
seen?
doing magic in there, or I'm missing out on a hell of a rave.
Don't stare at the light.
Family friendly, Miles.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep.
Gosh, what about family friendly? Don't you understand? Bam. I can probably do that.
I've heard rumors of weird things going on inside this building. Looks like the rumors are true.
He thinks he can toy with us.
Okay, so it doesn't penalize me if he was
Never saw it
safe,
coming.
and then he just switched to dangerous. So that's nice. That doesn't penalize me for that. Okay. Yeah, it needs to be up here.
The cat is costing us precious time. Be patient. We capture her and we break fully inside Craven's empire. Do you trust him? I heard something.
You come here. And now you should also be safe.
I get you.
And then I can go up there.
The French from that postcard translates to, "My reason for living. Time is short."
A new partner?
With Felicia, you never know.
Where did that come from? Where did these webs come from? What's wrong with you?
Come here. Alright, we're being nice and
Sucks to
stealthy up in here.
Hunter down! Check up top.
Come here. Bam. Well, bam. Okay, that's all of them. I think. Is it? What am I supposed to do now? Am I supposed to go in? Pardon me while I figure out what to do. You should. Oh, there's still a person left. Bam. There we go.
That's the last of them.
I was confused.
Now let's see what's up with Felicia.
Okay.
Oh, that's a first.
Little spider wants to play, huh?
Oh.
MJ! She stole the wand! And magic is very real.
What happened?
Hey, Cat! Can we talk? Will you slow down?
Back off before I portal you into the Pacific Ocean.
How'd you get on our comms?
You're still using the old channel. Don't you have better things to do, kid? Felicia, you have to stop. This is reckless, even for you. Who's this? That you, Red? How are things with the old spider these days?
Goodness.
Knock it off! I'm trying to help you!
I don't need your or any other spider's help.
You know what you can do with that wand?
She's just gonna use it to steal more art. Rude. I can hear you, clowns.
Oh, there's a train there.
Felicia, that could have hurt people!
I mean, he's not wrong.
Watch out! The hunters are back!
Aw, they must really like me.
We can end this tonight. We can stop the guy trying to kill you.
Steal your own mystical artifact.
Cold! Didn't even bring my scarf!
This is very, very cold.
That wand can take us right to Craven!
This was never about Craven.
What? That was awesome. That was very cool.
Why won't you help me stop this guy?
You're Spider-Man. You've saved the city before. You'll do it again.
Spider-Man was right about you. You only care about yourself.
Look, kid. Not that it's your business. My girlfriend's in Paris,
Oh,
and I got her into trouble with some bad people. Have you ever done something for love? She needs me now. If only I could figure out how to go more than 10 feet with this thing.
MJ said not to trust you.
Red's a smart one. But you gotta make your own choices, kid.
yeah.
There's a cat! Take her alive!
She's mine!
You should go! Portal out of here!
The instruction manual for this artifact was not clear.
You seem to be getting better at it!
Not better enough.
We're gonna figure it out! Together!
Damn, lucky attitude, kid.
Family friendly.
Thank you!
All right, Spider-Man. Let's see what you've got.
And family friendly chick. Shot your friend, haha. Woo. Get out of here, kid. Boom.
Behind you.
They never saw you coming! More of them! On the roof!
Come here.
Hey, use this portal.
Hey, ouch.
For what it's worth, appreciate you helping me out.
I needed the distraction!
Been there.
Alright.
Surprise.
Ouchies. Hurting people's not nice.
Looks like you need me.
Boom. All right. Nice. Oh, that's
There's a turret now. Another portal for you.
I'll take all the help I can get here! Any magic tricks for bullets?
You got webs. Hit the turret and take it out.
boom.
Hey, Spider-Man. Think you're here for the sea lion exhibit?
Oh! I want to see that! Did you know sea lions can swim up to 25 miles per hour?
Ouch.
Focus, Hunter. Lots of them.
I
Ouch.
must really want you!
I'm not available.
No, you have a girlfriend. We get it.
They're definitely trying to wear us down!
If they want me, they'll have to kill me.
Let's not have it come to that, okay?
Okay. That's right. Ow. Ouchies. Ouchies. Ouchies.
How are you with dogs?
Or the cat person. And
Obviously.
these aren't dogs.
Like
Ouch.
dogs?
I can't. What? I'm hitting buttons and he's doing nothing. I'm hitting the button to punch, and he's not punching the dog. That's annoying. I have to redo the
There's a
turret.
turret now. Another portal for you.
I'll take all the help I can get here! Any magic tricks for bullets?
You got webs. Hit the turret and take it out.
Bam.
Hey, Spider-Man. Think they're here for the sea lion exhibit?
Oh! I want to see that! Did you know sea lions can swim up to 25 miles per hour?
Focus, Hunter. Lots of them.
Craven must really want you!
Yeet.
I'm not available. Stop this spider from helping her.
Eyes on target!
They're definitely trying to wear us down!
If they want me, they'll have to kill me.
Let's not have it come to that, okay?
Ouch.
How are you with dogs?
Or the cat person. And these aren't dogs.
They bite like dogs.
Okay, so I can't use my gadgets while that's active. Ouch. Ow! I can't use my abilities. It's really throwing me off, dude. And the fact that I can't dodge under the dogs.
There's a turret now.
It's so weird.
Another portal for you.
I'll
Okay.
take all the help I can get here. Any magic tricks for bullets?
Wait.
Got webs. Hit the turret and take it out. Hey, Spider-Man. Think they're here for the sea lion exhibit?
Oh! I want to see that! Did you know sea lions can swim up to 25 miles per hour?
Focus, Hunter. Lots
All right.
of them.
Craven must really want you!
I'm not available.
Gosh. Okay.
They're definitely trying to wear us down!
If they want me, they'll have to kill me.
You take that. Ouchie. Get him.
That was sick! How are you with dogs?
More of a cat person, and these aren't dogs.
Do they bite like dogs?
Worse.
Watch the portal!
Over here.
They never saw you coming!
Watch where you shoot.
Oh, jeez.
This one's mine. She's everywhere. I cannot catch her.
They're throwing everything at us!
Might be on my last life here.
No! We're getting you to Paris. Your girlfriend needs you.
Ouch! I can't do anything, dude! Oh my gosh, every time!
There's a turret now. Another portal
It's
for
so many,
I'll
it's
take
so
all the
much
help I can
damage,
get here.
dude.
Any magic trick for bullets?
you. You got webs. Hit the turret and take it out.
Okay.
Behind you.
That was sick!
Give me another checkpoint in the fight,
Think
goodness.
they're here for the sea lion exhibit?
Oh! I want to see that!
I'm getting tired of hearing the sea lion fact. It was interesting at first, now it's boring.
Hunter, lots of them.
Craven must really want you!
I'm not available. Drop it
Okay.
away. Don't just fight or
Stop
protect
bragging that you're not available.
They're definitely trying to wear us down!
If they want me, they'll have to kill me.
Let's not have it come to that, okay? How are you with dogs?
More of a cat person, and these aren't dogs.
Do they bite like dogs?
Worse.
Watch the portal! Target locked!
Okay, this audio delay is bad. Go up there! That's not up where I wanted you to go, but okay. Ouch. Ouch.
Saw you coming!
Oh my gosh, dude, this is getting annoying. Bro! Let me do what I need to do.
Another portal for
Golly.
you.
I'll take all the help I can get here! Any magic trick for bullets?
You got webs. Hit the turret and take it out.
Okay, can my controller start working properly?
Hey, Spider-Man. Think they're here for the sea lion exhibit?
Oh! I want to see that! Did you know sea lions can swim up to 25 miles per hour?
Focus, Hunter.
Keep
Lots
the
of them.
focus for...
Craven must really want you!
I'm not available.
Stop bragging that you have a girlfriend!
They're definitely trying
I
to
want a girlfriend!
If they want me, they'll have to kill me.
Let's not have it come to that, okay? How are you with dogs?
More of a cat person, and these aren't dogs.
Do they bite like dogs?
Worse.
Watch the portal! Open fire!
Can you stop shooting me? Golly. Go up to the guy who's shooting at you.
Taking the shot.
Okay.
Behind you. She's everywhere. I cannot catch her.
They're throwing everything at us!
Might be on my last life here.
Okay, that's not...
We're getting you
Dude,
to Paris.
grab
Your
it!
girlfriend needs
That's not the thing I told you to grab.
Spider-Man. Surprise.
you. They never saw you coming!
Okay.
Firing.
Oh my gosh, dude. Do what I want you to. There's so many people there. I'm trying to target a specific person and he targets everybody else. Goodness.
Another portal for you.
I'll take all the help I can get here! Any magic tricks for bullets?
I'm just revealing that I'm bad at video
Hit the
games.
turret and take it
Yeah,
out!
that's all it is. I've never had so much difficulty with a Spider-Man level. It's so weird. Just target the people who are shooting at
The
you.
sea lion exhibit?
Oh, I want to see that. Did you know sea lions can swim up to 25 miles per hour?
Focus! Hunters! Lots of them!
Kraven must really want you.
I'm not available! Stop the spider from helping her!
Get those.
They're definitely trying to wear us down.
If they want me, they'll have to kill me!
Let's not have it come to that, okay?
And there's already another person back up there shooting at
Eyes
me.
on target.
Behind you! She's everywhere! I cannot catch her!
How are you with dogs?
Or I'm a cat person! And these aren't dogs!
They bite like dogs.
Worse! Surprise!
They never saw you coming. They're throwing everything at us.
Might be on my last leg here!
No, we're getting you to Paris. Your girlfriend needs you.
You really are Spider-Man! Target acquired! Over here!
That was sick.
Fight us!
What?
Firing barrage! Take note! Moving!
Where's the last person? There he is.
Clear shot!
There's another person. Finally! And the audio delay is really bad, I know.
Here. Focus. Think Eiffel Tower.
Au revoir, Felicia.
Thank you.
Alright. That's weird.
Show me Lee.
Okay. No, please tell me there's another focus thing. Guess I'll upgrade that, and then... Ooh, Spider-Man 2099 suits available. Concussion burst, and then we got skills that are available. Okay, so he can get a little bit of a lightning attack too. Alright,
Hey,
let's see what
what's
happens.
up with Felicia?
She's safe. For now. You finished your story?
Just send it to Jonah. Wish me luck.
You got this.
Yeah, she got this.
Dude, head to Coney Island.
What? What's up?
You know how Mysterio just got out of prison? Well, he's opening a new attraction there.
He could be the hunter's next target. Good call.
And guess who else is at Coney tonight? Hint, you've crushed on her for like over a year.
Come on, bro.
Don't bro me, bro. You and Haley are made for each other. If you don't ask her out, you're violating laws of nature.
We'll see. After we check on Mysterio.
Alright, well, that's where we're going to have to end that episode because, holy crap, that took me way too long to get through. Anytime, like, I was getting shot at by the person on the lamppost, I wanted to attack that person, but he would go for the dog on the ground, and I was like, that's not what I want you to do. And I don't think I've ever had that much trouble with any, like, fighting mission in any Spider-Man game. So if that is any indication of how it is to be further on in the game, it's not looking good for me. But that was interesting. Felicia has a girlfriend in Paris. Was not expecting that. She's probably lying. And I don't doubt she's lying about having a girlfriend in Paris, but, well, I mean, she was going pretty fast. And, but she lied to Pete in the last game, and, I mean, I thought she was telling the truth at first, too, whenever she was talking about having a child. So, you never really can tell with Felicia, but, I'm going to have to end the video there. That was nice being able to focus and get her to where she needed to go at the end there. At least it keeps her safe from Kraven and the Hunters. So that is interesting. We'll check out Mysterio in the next one and see what's going on with him. So golly, this game is there's a lot. You get to really like see every villain because Kraven's going after them all. So, but I'm going to end that video there. As always, I will see you in the next video. I'm going to try and make sure we get these out weekly. We may not have one on the week of Christmas because, you know, it's Christmas. Everybody should just enjoy Christmas with their family. But I will go ahead and end this video here. You all have a great day. Y'all all have a great week. I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.